Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AWS Security Groups for EC2 access rules, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Amazon Web Services Management Console. From the console home, navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the left sidebar, find and click on Security Groups. Select the Create Security Group button located at the top right of the page. Provide a name for your security group in the designated field. Add a description that clearly explains the purpose of your security group. Next, choose the VPC where you want this security group to be associated. Scroll down to the Inbound Rules section to define your access rules. Click on Add Rule to create your first rule. Select the type of traffic you want to allow from the drop-down menu. For example, choose HTTP to permit web traffic. Next, select the source of the traffic. You can opt for anywhere to allow all IP addresses or specify a particular IP range. If you need to add additional rules, repeat the process by selecting Add Rule again. Once all desired inbound rules are configured, scroll to the Outbound Rules section. By default, outgoing traffic is allowed to all destinations. If you wish to modify this, click on Edit Outbound Rules. You can add specific rules as needed, similar to the inbound rules. After configuring your rules, review the settings for accuracy. When satisfied, click the Create Security Group button at the bottom. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your security group has been created successfully. To apply your new security group to an instance, go to the Instances section in the left sidebar. Select the instance you want to modify. Click on the Actions button, then navigate to Networking. Choose Change Security Groups from the drop-down. In the pop-up window, select your newly created security group. After your selection, click on the Assign Security Groups button. Your instance will now be associated with the new security group settings. To verify the applied rules, return to the Security Groups section and select your group. Here, you will be able to see the inbound and outbound rules for review. You have now successfully registered and configured AWS Security Groups for your EC2 access rules. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.